Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anna. I am 20 years old and I'm a makeup artist based in New Mexico. Today we are doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's just an everyday makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so I'm starting off with my brows today. This is the Morphe Brow Pencil in the shade Java. Morphe has some of my favorite makeup brushes. Not makeup brushes, eyebrow pencils ever. I keep these stocked in my makeup kit, so yeah. And what I'm gonna do is just lightly run this through. I just kind of follow the natural curvature of my brow and just build it up slowly. It's easier to build product than to try and blend it out, right? So, okay guys, so for foundation today, I am using one of my favorite foundations. This is the Bye Bye foundation from IT Cosmetics. I'm in the shade Fair. I feel like they tend to run a little dark. I don't know, maybe that's just me because also I'm really pale, so. I'm taking that and then I'm also gonna pick up an IT Cosmetics buffing foundation brush. And I'm just gonna work that into the skin. I also prepped my lips with the Laneige Gummy Bear Balm. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And I haven't found an exact match for this foundation. As you can see, my skin is the foundation is a little lighter than the rest of my body, but that's totally fine because we are gonna warm the skin up with a cream bronzer. And also like to put some on my eyelids just to even everything out. Okay, now that my base is on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. This is just gonna go underneath my eyes. I'm also gonna apply some right here to my forehead. And a little bit on my chin, just like that. And since we're here, oh, by the way, the concealer that I am using is from Sephora. It's the Sephora brand concealer. Obsessed with it. It's the Gel Serum Concealer. This is in the shade Madeline. And I just like to clean up my brows. And cleaning up your brows really makes so much of a difference. Like, look at this eyebrow. Look at this eyebrow compared to this one. This one just looks perfect. This one, she looks good, but she's still a little messy. You know what I mean? Okay, now it's time to add some dimension and some color back into the face. We're looking a little corpsey right now, which is fine. That's your thing. No judgment here. But one of my favorite products is the Danessa Myricks. What is this? There's no name on it. I think it's like the contour balm or some bronzing balm, something like that. This is one of my holy grail products. I will always, always, always repurchase this because I love it. I love it so much. So I'm gonna do a little contouring on my nose. I like to just get some on a brush. Come down the sides, like that. And it's okay if it's a little messy. We're gonna clean everything up, so don't worry about that. I also like to bring the contour in to the eye socket, just like that. Blend that out, blend, blend, blend. It just like, I don't know, makes the look more cohesive. I like to pick up the foundation brush that we used earlier. I don't pick up any extra product, just use whatever is on there and further blend out the nose contour, just like that. See, the lines aren't as harsh. It just looks good. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this into my temples, just to bring some warmth to the skin. Now we're not looking as corpsey as we were. Okay, I'm gonna go in with a different concealer. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's just a little brighter. And I'm just gonna apply that in the same exact spots. So we got under the eye, the forehead, and the chin. Okay, friends. If this wasn't an everyday makeup look, I would definitely put some bronzer on my cheekbones, but this is just an everyday look, and typically I don't even put bronzer on my forehead, but today I wanted to. It's, you know, dealer's choice. Okay, so while my foundation and all my cream products are setting, I'm gonna go ahead and start on the eyes. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder and this little brush right here. Just get some powder on there. Tap off any excess, of course. And that's just gonna go directly on the eye. This just helps create a smooth base so that all of your eyeshadows will apply flawlessly. And typically I like to let all my cream products sit for as long as possible, just to almost completely dry down. I think it makes a huge difference. You don't look as cakey because you don't have to use as much powder. What kind of look do we want to do today? Honestly, my eyeshadow for every day is really simple. I'm using this dual-ended brush and my Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette. And I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. And that's gonna go all over the lid and through the crease. Okay, for mascara today, I am using the L'Oreal Voluminous Curved Brush. mascara. This is in Black Brown. I find, like, I love brown mascaras, brown eyeliners. They're just, they look softer. They're not as harsh as black. Okay friends, now that our mascara is applied, I'm gonna move on to blush. I'm such a blush girl. It's probably a lot more, I wear a lot more blush than the typical person. I just like it that way. So these are a bunch of Ben Nye singles. I will say if you purchase the Ben Nye blushes, they're extremely pigmented. A little bit goes such a long way. So I had to learn that the hard way. I just, you know, I'm used to the Benefit blushes where you could really dig in there, the MAC blushes, you could really dig in there and apply and they don't look crazy, right? These ones look crazy, okay? Just a warning. So I kind of like to just give a dusting of each like that, tap off any excess. And no, I did not set my face yet. This is on the semi-dry foundation and concealer. See what I mean? Like, that's crazy. And I like to bring it pretty high up. If you feel like you've gone too heavy on the blush, that's totally okay. You could go ahead and pick up your foundation brush and just kind of blend it out more. Just like that. So to kind of melt everything together, I am picking up my Rhonda Allison Hyaluronic Acid Hydra Mist and just spraying that on the face, letting it set and soak in. Okay, now that our base has been kind of drying for a while, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my RCMA translucent powder, just and very lightly come under the eyes and over here. Ow, I got something in my eye. Oh, I got an eyelash in my eye. I'm so sorry for that little freak out. But anyway, like I was saying, set the rest of your face. I don't usually apply the powder to where I applied the blush because that's a powder, and so it set that part of your face for you. Perfect. Okay, and lastly, we're gonna move on to the lips. Typically, I will just do a lip liner and like a gloss or my Laneige balm over. Today, I'm gonna do an actual lipstick because I just bought a new MAC lipstick. Been trying to find a new signature lip shade because I've been wearing the same lipstick since 2016. It's time to change it up. Okay, for lip liner, I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario Travis lip liner. I need to sharpen it. I don't know where my sharpener is. It's fine. It's totally fine. Okay, just like that. I like that his lip liners come with like a little brush on the end. You could just blend all of this out. You could totally stop here, and like I said, you could throw a gloss on, whatever you're feeling. The new shade of lipstick that I got is Cherish. It is a satin lipstick from MAC. So pretty, so pretty. Kind Kind of looks like the lip liner a little bit. That's such a pretty color. Wow. So the last step in my process is to set my eyebrows with the brow gel. This one is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I'm not like totally sold on this one, so if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I don't know. I swear, I feel like people swear by this brow gel, but it just doesn't do it for me, you know? Okay friends, that's it for this makeup tutorial. This is just a really pretty everyday makeup tutorial, so I hope you enjoyed it.